Hello everyone, my name is Ankit. Today we are going to make program to find largest of three numbers. We are taking variable a, its value we are taking from user. So equal to input. In the bracket we are passing a message, enter first number. In Python, input comes in the form of string. So we are converting it to integer. In the memory, one variable a is created. Similarly, we need two more numbers. We are copying this line. We are pasting it 2 times. Taking another variable b, which is our second number. Another variable c, which is our third number. In the memory, variable b and variable c are created. We are using if condition. If a greater than equal to b and a greater than equal to c, then print in the bracket, pass a message, greater number is, concatenate with a. Else if. In the Python we write elif. B greater than equal to a and b greater than equal to c. Then print in the bracket, pass a message, greater number is, concatenate with b. Otherwise, else. Print in the bracket, pass a message, greater number is, concatenate with c. Running the program, enter first number, let's say 90. It is converted to integer and stored to a. Next is enter second number, let's say 50. This is converted to integer and stored to b. Next is enter third number, let's say 40. It is converted to integer and stored to c. Next is if a greater than equal to b. So 90 is greater than 50, true, and a greater than equal to c. 90 is greater than 40. So both the conditions are true. And means both should be true. In this case, printing the message, greater number is a, which means 90. So 90 is the greatest number. We are running the program again. Enter first number, let's say 50. Enter second number, 60. Enter third number, 30. New values of a, b and c are 50, 60 and 30. The condition 1 is false because a is not greater than equal to b. 50 is less than 60, so this will not run. Else if b greater than equal to a, 60 is greater than 50, true, and b greater than equal to c, 60 greater than 30, true. So this condition will run, greater number is b, which is 60. Running the code again, enter first number 70, enter second number 90, enter third number 100. Updated values of A, B and C are 70, 90 and 100. Here A greater than or equal to B. 70 greater than or equal to 90. This is false. So this will not run. Else if B greater than or equal to A, 90 greater than or equal to 70, true, and B greater than or equal to C. So 90 greater than or equal to 100. This is false. So this will not run. Else part will run. Greater number is C, which is 100. So this is how we can find largest of three number. That's all for today. Thank you.